Picture yourself wandering through an endless field of sugarcane, its emerald stalks dancing in the tropical breeze under a brilliant, blazing sun. Each sturdy cane holds the promise of becoming the sugar that transforms our everyday treats into moments of pure delight. What if you could follow the magical journey from a simple stalk of sugarcane to the refined sugar that sweetens our lives? Today, we're about to embark on that extraordinary adventure. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled you're here because today we're exploring the fascinating, almost magical story behind one of nature's sweetest gifts, sugarcane. This isn't just any plant. Sugarcane is the foundation for the sugar that brightens our desserts, beverages, and baked goods. Grown in warm, lush tropical climates, sugarcane is nurtured by dedicated farmers using a blend of traditional methods and modern technology. In this video, I'll guide you through every phase of the process, from the production of seedlings and the cultivation of vast fields, to the burning, harvesting, and high-tech processing that converts raw cane into that fine sugar we all crave. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the incredible world of sugarcane transformation. Before sugarcane even graces a sprawling field, the journey begins in specialized nurseries. Here, expert growers carefully nurture tiny cane cuttings under controlled conditions. These seedlings are provided with ideal levels of warmth, moisture, and nutrients, ensuring they develop into strong, healthy plants. Think of this stage as planting the seeds of potential. Each small cutting is meticulously cared for, knowing that only the best will go on to form the foundation of a robust crop. This early step is essential. A strong start guarantees that when these seedlings are later transferred to the open fields, they have the best possible chance to thrive. Once the seedlings have matured in the nursery, they are carefully transplanted into vast fields of nutrient-rich soil. On the farm, farmers employ advanced agricultural techniques to ensure every sugarcane plant gets the optimal mix of water, sunlight, and nutrients. Precision irrigation systems are used to water the fields evenly, while soil sensors and satellite imaging help monitor the health of the crop. Over the course of several months, the fields transform dramatically. What begins as a patchwork of young shoots eventually blossoms into a sea of lush, towering sugarcane. The vibrant green stalks stand proudly, swaying gently in the warm breeze, ready for the next phase of their journey. This is a crucial time, as every plant must reach its full potential to maximize the eventual sugar yield. Before the harvest can commence, a traditional yet vital step takes place: the controlled burning of the sugarcane fields. Although it might appear intense, this method has been used for generations. The purpose of burning is to remove the excess leaves and dry material that can cling to the stalks, making them easier to cut and process. By carefully setting the fields ablaze, farmers ensure that only the cane remains, unburdened by unwanted foliage. This not only streamlines the harvesting process, but also helps protect the quality of the cane by reducing the presence of impurities that could affect the sugar extraction process later on. With the sugarcane fully matured and prepped by controlled burning, the next stage is harvesting. This is where skilled labor meets high-tech machinery. Experienced workers, or in some regions, state-of-the-art mechanical harvesters, swiftly cut the cane near the base, ensuring that every bit of valuable juice is preserved. Speed is critical here. The natural sugars in the cane begin to degrade if the stalks are left waiting too long after being cut. Once harvested, the fresh cane is rapidly loaded onto trucks designed for bulk transport. These vehicles maintain specific temperature and humidity conditions to ensure that the cane's quality remains intact. The harvested stalks are then whisked away to nearby processing facilities, where they will be transformed into the sugar we enjoy in our sweets. At the processing plant, the real magic begins, turning raw sugarcane into pure sugar. The first step at the mill is to give the cane a thorough wash, removing any dirt, debris, or remnants from the field. Clean sugarcane is then fed into powerful crushers that break down the fibrous stalks, extracting the precious, sweet juice hidden within. This raw juice is the lifeblood of the sugar-making process. It undergoes a clarification process where impurities are meticulously filtered out, resulting in a clear, pure liquid. Next, the juice is transferred to enormous evaporators where it is boiled under controlled conditions. As the water evaporates, the concentrated juice reaches a point where sugar crystals begin to form, a process known as crystallization. These sparkling crystals are then separated from the remaining liquid using centrifuges and further refined to produce the fine, pure sugar that serves as the basis for our confectionery delights. This stage epitomizes the blend of tradition and modern technology, turning a natural resource into a refined product with precision and care. After the sugar has been refined, it's time for packaging and distribution, two crucial steps that ensure the sugar reaches consumers in perfect condition. In the packaging phase, automated systems take over. They weigh, bag, and seal the sugar with high efficiency and strict quality control. The packaging not only protects the sugar from environmental factors, but also makes it easy for consumers and manufacturers to handle. Following packaging, the product enters the distribution phase. A sophisticated logistics network takes over here, with sugar being carefully transported to supermarkets, confectionery factories, and other outlets. Temperature and humidity are controlled throughout the journey to preserve the sugar's quality, ensuring that when it reaches its final destination, it is just as sweet and pure as when it left the mill. Let's recap the incredible journey of sugarcane. It all starts with the careful production of robust seedlings in specialized nurseries, setting the stage for a bountiful crop. Advanced cultivation techniques transform these seedlings into towering fields of lush, green sugarcane, with precision irrigation and high-tech monitoring ensuring optimal growth. The controlled burning of fields clears away excess foliage, preparing the cane for a smooth harvest. Skilled harvesting and rapid transportation preserve the cane's natural sugars, ensuring it reaches the processing plant in peak condition. At the processing facility, raw cane is washed, crushed, clarified, boiled, and crystallized, transforming it into the pure sugar we love. Finally, modern packaging and a meticulous distribution system ensure that this sweet product reaches consumers without losing its quality. Together, these steps highlight a remarkable fusion of nature, tradition, and modern technology that brings us the sugar behind every delightful treat. In conclusion, the journey from cane to candy is nothing short of extraordinary. It is a beautiful blend of time-honored traditions and cutting-edge technology, ensuring that every step, from nurturing tiny seedlings and cultivating vast fields, to burning, harvesting, processing, packaging, and distribution, plays a vital role in delivering the finest sugar to your table. Next time you savor a sweet treat, remember the remarkable transformation that began with a simple stalk of sugarcane and evolved through the hands of dedicated farmers and modern machinery into the candy that brings joy to your day. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the wonders of food production, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this sweet journey, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.